Alright, doing this problem called valid palindrome. Uh, Phrase is a palindrome if after converting all uppercase letters into lowercase letters and removing all non-alphanumeric characters, it reads the same forward and backward. Alphanumeric characters include letters and numbers. Given a string as return true if it's a palindrome or false otherwise. Okay, so what do we have to remove? We have to convert uppercase into lowercase. Okay, that's one thing. Other thing is remove all non-alphanumeric characters. Okay, that means other than anything other than letters and numbers, it is the same backward and forward. Okay, so you have to forget. You have to don't. That's what it does. So he goes to this string and he converts this string into this, and which is a palindrome. So you go to the string, you have to basically ignore all of these alpha numeric characters and whatnot. So a general. So let's do this. So let's define L equals to 0 and R equals to S dot length minus 1 and while L is less than R. Okay. So first thing is if now how do you know if now that's another thing. How do you know if something is alphanumeric? There might be a shortcut, but we just define, let's say, a function here. So boolean is alphanumeric and let's call it char c, right? And you do return c is greater than equals to a, and then c is less than equals to capital A. This is one. Sorry, not capital A, small z. Uh, so this is one case, or c is greater than equals to capital A and c is less than equals to this is another case, or 0 and c is less than equals to 9. Now there might be some function that already does that, but okay, we write our own. So now if it is alphanumeric, if so if not is alpha numeric of c, if the uh, s dot caret l is not alphanumeric, then you just do l plus plus, right? And maybe check for r as well. Rather, I'll even do a while here. So while this is not alphanumeric, I'll do l plus plus, and while r is not alphanumeric, I'll do r minus minus, and obviously while l is less than s dot length, and again this also while r is greater than equals to 0, right? So now after these two while loops, that essentially means that l and r are not alphanumeric. So if s dot caret l is not equals to s dot caret r, we have a problem here, and if we never get a problem, then we are happy and we return true. Okay, let's run. I think I missed something. Uh, yeah, it's here I am missing to do l plus plus and r minus minus. Okay, run code. Get a wrong answer as well. So for the first one, you get a wrong answer because okay, one thing we missed. The two lower. Okay, small a and capital A also have to match. A char cannot be dereferenced. Okay, so how do I convert a character to its lowercase? Let's write another. Let's do this. Two lower of this is not equals to two lower of that. All right, and then you can define a boolean to lower char. This is only interesting if c is greater than equals to a and c is less than equals to z. Otherwise, it's not of any interest, right? Else you just return c. Now here, what do you want to return? So I want to convert capital A into small a. And the way to do that would be this, right? So if C is capital A minus capital A will become 0 and B will write small a. If C is capital B, then B minus capital A will be 1, A plus 1 will be small b, right? So this is fine. Now run again. What's the problem now? Int cannot convert this to this. First of all, why is it boolean? It has to be a char, and now things should be fine. Impossible, possible lossy conversion from int to char. We are okay with that. Right. All right, submit. Index out of bound exception. Let's see where we got that. So here, okay, and that's what that was a problem. So maybe we don't be too smart and we only do one at a time. But otherwise, okay. So the thing is, we have to check here again if L is less than R, right? Only then we can do this. Yeah, it's becoming a bit problematic. I want to make it simpler than this. So I want to keep avoid multiple loops inside. Okay. So I'm gonna do is if I'll make it if, and then I'll do L plus plus, and I'll just break, not break, continue, and I'll do the same here. Then I'll do continue, and now I don't have to worry about this, right? So this becomes a little bit easier to manage. All right, submit, and it works finally. All right.